Hi, so if you are in class 11th, class 12th, or even you are a dropper, this video is for you. And in this video, I am going to talk about the chapters जो हमारे 11th के chapters हैं यहाँ पे हैं जो हमारे 11th के चैप्टर हैं ये यहाँ पे हैं जो 12th के चैप्टर है वो यहाँ पे हैं और ये इंडिपेंडेंट और ये डिपेंडेंट चैप्टर्स यहाँ पे लिखे हुए हैं ठीक है। तो कुछ चैप्टर जैसे कि लिविंग वर्ल्ड, बायोलॉजिकल क्लासिफिकेशन, प्लांट किंगडम, एनिमल किंगडम, मॉर्फो, ये सारे जो हमारे डाइवर्सिटी है ये इसके कोई प्री रिक्विजिट्स नहीं है, ये हम पढ़ सकते हैं लाइक इन पैरेलल ऑल्सो। एनाटमी इज वन ऑफ द चैप्टर लाइक इसको पढ़ने के बाद हमें अपनी ना प्लांट फिजियोलॉजी पढ़ना चाहिए बिकॉज उसके कुछ कॉन्सेप्ट्स यहाँ पे आते हैं। बायोमोलिक्यूल्स इज लाइक इंडिपेंडेंट चैप्टर and genetics जो principle of inheritance, MBI is molecular basis of inheritance। ये दोनों चैप्टर पढ़ने से पहले हमें थोड़ा सा सेल बेसिक्स और बेसिकली सेल डिवीजन पढ़ना जरूरी है। इसमें क्रोमोसोम, जीन, प्लॉइडी, ये सारी चीज़ों के बारे में थोड़ा सा पढ़ लेना होगा। And if you have to study, like if you are in 11th standard, if you do not know about much about the chapters, you have to start with this animal tissue and then you have to move to human physiology। इसमें हमारे respiration, circulation जो हमारा human क्या बोलते हैं सर्कुलेटरी सिस्टम होता है, एक्सक्रीटरी सिस्टम होता है, लोकोमोशन होता है, न्यूरल एंड देन केमिकल कंट्रोल जो चैप्टर है ये हमारे हैं। तो ये पहले एनिमल टिश्यू पढ़ना होगा एंड देन ह्यूमन फिजियोलॉजी यू कैन go to that chapter and after that you can go to HSD because these are very dependent chapter। इसमें जितने भी डिजीजेज आते हैं वो सारे यहाँ पे हमें बेसिकली यहाँ पे भी थोड़ा थोड़ा लास्ट में दिया हुआ है तो यहाँ पे वो इसके बाद पढ़ना इज मोर बेनिफिशियल अकॉर्डिंग टू मी। एंड आई एम नॉट talking about the flow of chapter in which you have to study or you can decide whatever chapter or order sequence you can follow, but what I am going to start with is like one chapter which is independent, like I'm going to like personally anatomy I'm going to start because this is independent and after that I'll be maybe I'll think or right now I've thought that after anatomy I'll be just moving to photosynthesis and this plant physio thing, and if I choose to select one more chapter in parallel, so I'll think to decide a independent chapter which is not dependent on others. So these are the sequence and also from 12th chapter, sexual reproduction in flowering plant is independent, but if you are in 11th standard, obviously you will not study this. And before this chapter, you need to know a few things about the flower thing, which is given in morphology, and human reproduction and reproductive health is also independent. Few things are there in 11th. Obviously, if you are in 12th, then you must have studied 11th standard, and if you are in droplet, uh, I'll be uploading things like revision video and even in detail it will be a very short kind of part videos. Evolution is again independent chapter. Microbes, biotech 1 and 2, should write it here as 1 and 2. Both are correlated but not dependent on other chapter. Ecology is completely independent. So these are the chapters for 11th and 12th complete bio. Right now, this is the basic chapters and updated according to updated syllabus. And in next video, I think I'll be discussing about the anatomy chapter. So if you are in 11th or even you are in 12th or if you are in dropper preparing for NEET, so you can connect to my channel and thank you for watching the